Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 9th here in online study of mathematics. Today we are studying polynomials and our topic is factorization and the special part is identities. In our previous videos we have studied identity 1 to identity 5. Now through this video I am going to teach you identity 6. You can observe I have written identity 6 on board. It is x plus y whole cube equals x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. We can understand this identity in this way also to make our work easier. First term plus second term whole cube is equals to cube of first term plus cube of second term plus 3 multiply by first term multiply by second term multiply bracket open first term plus second term. Now, do you need to learn this identity? No, you are not bound to learn this identity because generally it has been observed that few students forget these identities in examination. In most of the cases जब एग्ज़ाम में बच्चे बैठते हैं तो ड्यू टू प्रेशर कुछ प्रेशर होने की वजह से पजल हो जाते हैं व्हाट इज़ द आइडेंटिटी और क्या करते हैं एक आइडेंटिटी को दूसरी आइडेंटिटी में मिक्स कर देते हैं जिसकी वजह से मिस्टेक हो जाती है और आपको मार्क्स मिलते हैं 0. सो ऐसी कंडीशन से बचने के लिए अगर आप एग्ज़ाम में भूल जाएं कि इस आइडेंटिटी का क्या रूल है आप क्या कर सकते हैं गिव योर सेल्फ 2 मिनट्स इन योर रफ. आप रफ में अपने आप को 2 मिनट दीजिए और इस आइडेंटिटी का प्रूफ अपने आप फाइंड कर लीजिए. ये 2 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा तो लगेंगे लेकिन आपका क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल करेक्ट होगा एग्जाम में एंड यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स. दैट शुड बी आवर टारगेट. सो हाउ कैन यू प्रूव this identity means identity number 6. X plus y whole cube can be written as x plus y into x plus y whole square. Here we are applying the law of exponent. Yes, in multiplication powers can be added. For example, or the law of identity a raised to the power x into a raised to the power y will be equal to a raised to the power x plus y. This is the law of exponents which we are apply here. If base are same then powers will be added in multiplication. Here base is x plus y and x plus y because base are equal and we have different powers, so powers can be added. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now x plus y is remain same and it is square of a binomial which is our identity number 1. It is equal to square of first term plus square of second term plus 2 multiply by first term into second term. X square plus 2xy plus y square. Now it is a binomial multiply by trinomial. It is a class 8th question of chapter algebraic expression where you did so many multiplication questions. So revise your topic here. First we will multiply x by second bracket second trinomial. So x multiply by second bracket, but second term of first bracket will also multiply by second bracket. फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की सेकेंड टर्म की भी मल्टीप्लाई ट्राइनोमियल से होगी. सो y विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेकेंड ब्रैकेट. सो and the sign of y is plus, So we will write here plus y multiply by second bracket x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now we have converted binomial multiply by trinomial into monomial multiply by trinomial and monomial multiply by trinomial. Now we will multiply each term of this trinomial by x, and here we will multiply each term of this trinomial by y. X will multiply by x square, it will become x cube, plus x will multiply by 2xy, it will become 2x square y, plus x will multiply by y square, it will become xy square. Similarly, y will multiply by x square, yx square, y will multiply by 2xy, 2 y into y square x, or we can write 2x y square plus y into y square y cube. Now multiplication is over here. We need to just simplify this expression here. We have written x cube plus y cube here, x cube plus y cube. Then what we have done, second term is x square y, and here you have x square y. We have written these like terms together, 2x square y and x square y. These are like terms because their literal coefficients are same or equal. Now xy square and xy square, these are also like terms, so we have put them together, 2xy square and xy square. In the next line, x cube and plus y cube is same, but we know the rule of algebraic expression that like terms can be added. So 2 plus 1 3x square y, similarly 2 plus 1 3xy square. Now we have 3 here and 3 here. Therefore in the next line we have taken 3 common from both these two terms. X cube plus y cube will remain same, plus 3 has been taken out common, and what is more we have common here, हमारे पास कुछ और भी है यहाँ common. Yes, here we have power of x is 1 and here we have the power of x is 2, and according to rule of algebra we can take the smallest power of the polynomial common. हम किसी भी polynomial, किसी भी algebraic expression में अगर कोई टर्म कॉमन लेना चाहते हैं इन द टर्म्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स में से, तो वेरिएबल्स की जो कॉमन छोटी पावर होती है, छोटी पावर को कॉमन लिया जाता है. हम कॉमन लेना चाहते हैं इन दोनों टर्म्स में से, तो 3 हैज बीन टेकन आउट कॉमन, बट वी हैव x and y here, x and y here. We have power of x is 2 in this term, and here we have power 1. So smaller power is 1. Therefore we will take x raised to the power 1 common. Similarly y is here, but here we have power of y is 1 and here we have power of y is 2. So what we will take common, इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन लेंगे, हम y की छोटी पावर को कॉमन ले सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल. सो वी हैव टेकन y raised to the power 1 common. Nothing is more common in these two terms. Now we will write the left terms, the left values within the bracket. 3xy has been taken out common from the last two terms. Now bracket open, we will write the remaining values here. Here we have taken 3 common, x common, y common. What is left? 1 power of x. Here we have 1 power of x. So x raised to the power 1, and then plus in the last term we have taken 3xy common. X raised to the power 1 has been taken out common. Here we have 2 powers of y and we have taken 1 power of y. So what is left? 1 power of y, and hence x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Yes, students, we need not to write the power 1 here because it is understood. We need not to write 1 here. Therefore, this is the proof. Hence, proved. This is the complete proof. If you forget the identity 6 in your examination, you can give yourself 2 minutes in your rough notebook and you can find the correct identity yourself. So, in this process, you need not to learn identity 6. You need to learn only identity 1 because we have applied identity 1 here. X plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square, and rest of the work you already have completed, you already knows because that was a part of your class 8 syllabus. Now move on to our main topic, and our main topic is exercise 2.5 of NCERT and question number 6. Yes, this question number 6 is based on identity 6 which we have discussed here. Now we will apply identity 6 in finding the solutions of few NCERT question. Question number 6, first part, 2x plus 1 whole cube. You can easily observe that we have to find cube of a binomial, and here is your identity, cube of a binomial. So identity 6 can be applicable here. So what we will write here? We knows that x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So write this identity here. We know that x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. This is the identity which we have proved here. When we compare these two expressions, we find that in place of x it is 2x. So in rough we will write x is equals to 2x, and in place of y we have 1. So y is equals to 1. Again in place of x we have 2x, so x will be equal to 2x, and in place of y we have 1, so y will be equal to 1. Now we will put these values in given identity. Put x is equals to 2x and y is equals to 1 in identity 6, in this identity which we have written here. So x is equals to 2x plus y equals to 1 whole cube. We will put these values in left hand side of this equation as well as right hand side of this equation. This is an equation because it has equal sign, or we can say this is identity 6 because identity 6 is now applicable here, is applied here as a formula, and it is equals to x cube means 2x whole cube plus y cube means 1 cube plus 3 into x. X means 2x into y means 1 bracket open x. X means 2x and y means 1 equals to 2x whole cube. 2x whole cube means this power will work for 2 as well as x. So it will be 8x cube. Right here 8x cube, 1 cube will be 1, 3 into 2, 6x into 2x plus 1. Now 8x cube will same plus 1 will be same, 6x will multiply by 2x. It is a kind of monomial multiply by a binomial. So 6 into 2, 12, x into x, x square, plus 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 6x into 1, 6x. Now we will write the powers of x in decreasing order so that it will look good. 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1, and this is the required solution. You have to expand 2x plus 1 whole cube by using appropriate identity, and by using identity 6 we have successfully expanded 2x plus 1 whole cube. So what we have studied in this video, we get to know identity 6, we have proved identity 6, and we have solved one question which is based on identity 6. We have to do few more identities, means the next identity is x minus y whole cube, and it is almost same with that of identity number 6. We will also prove identity 7, which is x minus y whole cube, and then we will solve few examples which will be based on identity number 7. I hope guys you all are understanding identity 6 very well, and you will apply identity 6 where it will be required. Thank you.